Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Technics SA-C100 CD player, amp, receiver, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. And you do not have the remote, because you can actually do this factory reset via the setup menu on the display with the remote. But if you don't have the remote, you can do this just with the buttons on the display, on the actual receiver. So what you want to do, and you might want to do this if this unit is frozen or if your controller, if the remote control is not working or anything like that. So what we want to do, if we want to do this, is we're just going to start by unplugging this device. And then once it's unplugged, you're going to just leave it disconnected for several minutes. And then what you want to do is you're going to come and press and hold the power button and just keep pressing and holding the power button while you plug it in. And while you plug it in, just keep holding the power button, keep holding the power button. And then, after 10 seconds or so, you can release the button and then just wait. And after about 3 minutes, it will restore all to its factory default settings, and you will see it will say initialized up on the display, and you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.